have been and actually go through the rest of the program. Bear with me while I change slides. We're going to take Larry Lucyshyn from the MIBRO group. Please come up now. Thank you, Larry.
I'm going to talk from a little lighter approach. Never missed the chance to certainly to be a salesperson and sell things we do, but also understand that we won't get through this quickly for the get to the panel discussion. But I'm here to tell you that our business is very good and very strong, even in this downturn economy. We have found many new customers and many great opportunities, and it comes down to a lot of creative and strategic thinking that has got us to where we are today. In the last, certainly in the last 5 to 7 years, our company has transformed itself, really focused in on the things that have allowed us to perform well and certainly see growth. I'll share a few things with you as I go through this, and there's also a little bit of just background on the company, so you get an idea of the types of things that we're doing at the MIBRO group. The last 3 years, 3 consecutive years, we've been recognized as one of Canada's 50 best managed companies. We're very proud of that. We've received 4 honors within the last 10 years, so we think we've got a great team in place, and we do strategic planning on a very regular basis to sit down and really work through the issues that we're having, certainly from a supply, we call it our strategic supply solution plan, so we can go to our customers with the solutions that they need. MIBRO has been in business for 60 years, more than 60 years, and we have built our reputation on building quality products for our customers. We have reached out from supplying companies within retailers in North America to now South America, and we have very specific product categories: power tool accessories, chain accessories and rope, farm and accessories and supply products, hand tools, and lawn and garden products, which is mostly in the watering category. Here's just some of the types of things that you would see, out there at retail that I'm sure you're all familiar with. This is some of our rope and chain programs. So you can see what I'm trying to tell you is we supply a lot of high SKU count, low value type products, and managing those products with our retailers is a very difficult process because all the direct importing that they're doing on their own. I mean, let's face it, we are in competition with their own global sourcing arms that whether it's Lowe's or the Do It Best or True Value, it doesn't matter. They all have their own global sourcing divisions, and we compete with them. They find it difficult to import high SKU count programs, and certainly on the low value side. So that's where we have grown our business and certainly become experts for all of our retailers in those areas. Different types of lawn and garden products, from hose couplings and connectors, sprinklers, and nozzles. We supply products to our customers from 4 facilities, as well as obviously some of our supplier partners. We direct import right directly from those suppliers. Because of our product is such a high SKU count, low value product, and we put private label programs together, we have a very numerous amount of different packaging machinery to do clamshells, blister packs, skin boards, all kinds of different types of things. The customers that we supply throughout North America and now into the international business down in South America, as you can see, it's probably about 50% of our customers are private label, but that's driving about 80% of our volume. So we are very much conscious of what our customers' needs are and focusing on building their brand, not our own. This is really where I wanted to focus was on our strengths, and it's going to basically summarize some of the things that have already been said. But we live by our best value commitments, and those best value commitments are really delivered to our customers through expertise, quality, innovation, and strategic supply solutions. So expertise, we do boast on the fact that we've been in business a long time. We've been importing products. All of our products primarily come from China. We've been doing that for a long time. We've been dealing with China for well over 25 years. We'd like to think that we are experts now in our field. Certainly, experts in private label, that's what attracts us to our customers, and that's the attraction that goes both ways, is trying to marry up these brands that are built by our customers, and we deliver on the product, the quality, the supply solution that we can arrange with them. Our company is really focused on, from a sales perspective, on not just selling, but becoming category managers within all of our accounts. And we think this is certainly a very important aspect of growing business, and certainly on the international sourcing side, they don't have the expertise in-house in a lot of cases, and we need to be able to manage the business for them. And that speaks to both private label and the necessary evils of the entire category management analysis. Of course, quality, as we've already spoken about, is a primary aspect of the international sourcing. Best performance is what we call it, and best performance can be in many different things, from the condition of master packs and the packaging materials that are used, to the quality of the product, the manufacturing processes that are used. It's the way that we deliver ourselves to the customer. That all comes down to best performance, and we spend a lot of time as a company talking about how we're going to perform. We ask our customers to scorecard us and to give us evaluations on that performance, so that we can go back into the boardroom and talk about best quality and best performance. We have what we believe a very strong commitment to quality assurance, and that is developing processes before the products are even made. So that's product specifications, speccing everything out, and detailing the information in a way that both parties, MIBRO itself and our supplier partners, can understand the information and translate it into our products. That's product packaging, and it's also into the specifications of the product alone. We have to make North American product. We can't deliver on Asian product. We have to deliver on product that meets the specifications of our North American marketplace. Quality control, obviously, is the process of checking product after production, and we have quality control going on in China, as well as after the product arrives here. But as John spoke about, we have more customers buying product directly through containers right to their own warehouses and their own DCs, and it gets into the retail stores before we ever get a chance to touch it here in North America. So having a strong quality assurance and a quality control program, in China is a key aspect of everybody that is involved in international sourcing. Of course, we use on-specs and for third-party testing, and companies like on-specs at times, and as well as our own factories themselves have a lot of quality assurance and quality control in place. Innovation is something that we really see as being a strength for us. We have to deliver innovation and creativity. We have to listen to what our customers really want, and then we have to respond. Even though they want to import the product and they want to control their own private label programs, it still means they want PLP materials, and they want on-shelf merchandising, and they want all the bells and whistles that come with putting a product program into the stores. And we need to deliver on all of those aspects of innovation. We need to come up with, if it's not a new item, but a new look to the item, new packaging materials, new boxes, new cases for our product, and so on, that make their programs look unique and certainly exclusive to the retailer. We deliver a power tool accessory set, for example, and we make one core box, and we develop it into about 14 different looks, so each retailer can have their own exclusive look on the product, so that we don't look like we're delivering one item to 14 different retailers. We have partners all throughout China, and you can see, majority of them are in the Shanghai area, if you look at that being the center point. But our products come from all over, and we need to find solutions that enable us to bring the product to port and get the lead times down, pressure on lead times, and so on. So we're trying to do everything we can. As you can see, more and more product is moving, more inland in China, so it makes logistics a little more of a headache at times on how to get product quickly to the location.